Hey folks, thanks for tuning in with me today. I just want to show you really quickly in this video how I photographed this Deadpool character. My lighting setup, flags, grids, softboxes, things like that that might help in your toy photography. So watch the video, like and subscribe. It's a little dark. Here we go. Okay, so you can see what I've got set up here. I've got my camera, and like all my other videos, you know, I shoot it in live view. I don't shoot it in live view. I get my focus and everything in live view and my composition. But I want to explain to you my setup real quick. This is kind of neat. So I've got my main light here. This is my Explorer 600, and I have it on a C-stand with the Godox softbox. It's an Octabox. But I have a grid on here, and also I have this flagged. I just took a piece of black foam core and clipped it up here because I want just a little bit of light coming down in here. And I want to keep light from hitting my background because I want that to fade to black. Then my fill light over here, I've got my Flashpoint Evolve 200, and I've got it fitted with a 20-degree grid shooting through this diffuser to get some soft light onto my character. Without this diffuser, the light is really harsh because the character is really reflective. And so this diffuser here, instead of me popping another softbox on my fill light, I just shoot through this diffuser and it's fun and bounce a little fill light back in from the reflector. Then I've got my black sweep back here, my seamless roll of black paper. And what I've done is I've gone through and I'm shooting this at f4. I'm not going to go through my settings and stuff on this one, but I shot it at f4, and I want to f4, and I stacked it, and I did a series of 4 images. The first image I did, I'll put it up on the screen now. You can see, you know, I get my dark frame, and then my second image, since I'm shooting at f4, is going to be focused here on his back hand. My third image is going to be focused on his face. My fourth image is going to be focused, you know, on his belt, and my fifth image is going to be focused on his taco and helmet there. And so I stacked all those together in Photoshop to get a pretty nice image all the way through, and I'll post that up here for you also too to take a look at. But that's all. I just wanted to go through and show you guys real quick what my setup was for shooting this Deadpool character, and you know, a way to kind of control your lighting if you've got big lights, like, you know, and big modifiers and small subjects that you're shooting. It's nice to be able to know how to control some of that light spill, you know, with flags and grids and snoots and you know, different things like that. And I really like these big reflectors. This is actually a 5-in-1. This is that's like a 4-foot reflector, and it comes in it's got another deal that zips over the top of it, so you can have a silver, gold, and black. I only ever use it for the diffuser. I don't use it for the reflector. I just use it because it's a huge diffuser, and I really like that.